Okay, so guys, getting back. So, it's the first drill from my list. Okay, it's this one. It's an estimate of the 80 euros. So, of course, so I checked it and unboxing the box. The electronic brake is not working. So, okay. My work for this drill cost the 15 euros, so it's okay, it's going, of course, to the cost of this drill. Okay, now I will disassemble it and check what's wrong with it. It can be the carbon brushes, it can be the armature fault or the switch. So, the moment of the drill. Okay, what we can see, the carbon brush holder units are almost good. They seen some heat or something. Okay, it's I think the carbon brush is moving inside bad. Yep, the carbon brush is moving bad. So it was overheated during the work. So okay, what we need to do now, we need to disassemble it, of course. Check it. Okay, what I can do, I can press the carbon brush and I can try to turn it on now. Okay, it's really not going normally. Okay, you can see that the electronic brake is working, so we know that this is the contact problem. So now we need to check the carbon brush holder unit because it was overheated. So, and we don't want to resell the tool which is not properly fixed. Okay, so just opening it, and what can we see now? Of course, it's surprisingly clean. So okay, we can see that a bad contact sign here, so we need to work it out. So the carbon brush holder unit, it's melted, so definitely we need to replace it. So we need new carbon brush holder unit. Okay, carbon holder. We need a brush SCB440. Okay. About the armature, we can leave it, we can change it. Honestly, okay, see that it's really was overheated, so I think I will change it. Yep, I think I will change it. So we'll need the armature. Okay, so now for this one, okay, we know that the gear is good. The gear also for this tool are very strong, so you even cannot check it. So okay, so for this one we need a carbon brush holder unit, the new carbon brushes, and the new armature. Of course, it's not 100% that we need a new armature to change, but it was overheated and I think it's worth to repair it really honestly in a good manner, so I will change it. Okay, so this was the first tool of the list. Okay, it's worth to repair and it will make some money, of course. I will put the estimate, I don't know, maybe on the end of this video, maybe on the serial video, I don't know now, but of course I will show the estimate price of the repair. So okay, so with this one we ended. I will put it to the box. Okay, have the nice big box. So this one will be good. Now we can check the other same model tools. Okay, so this one, it's working, so you need to open it. Okay, it's overheated too, I think. Okay, so just opening, yeah, and you can find a repair kit for this tool and this fault in my eBay auction. So I think I will put a link to my listings. Okay, so yeah, it was overheated a little bit. Of course, it's really not a lot of the heat, so honestly it can it can run again. So okay, the carbon brushes are good, so you can see the plates are good. Okay, honestly it's a really good tool, good ball bearing. Okay, the field is good, so we need to clean the commutator. Can do that in a simple with a sanding paper. Just okay, you can take the sanding paper and spin it around a little bit, so you can see that it's getting shiny and nice. Okay, now I have the spray for the controller boards and some electronics, so I will spray it on the armature. Okay, so what's now I will assemble it. Okay, it's really looks nice and clean, so okay, I'll just assemble it back. And the carbon brush is almost like new. Okay, I bought it as a lot, so I don't know the previous history of these tools, and I don't know the owner. I just don't know the eBay username. Of course I will not tell it or not show it, because I think that it's not a very good idea to do that. Okay, so just putting everything back. Okay, now you are here. So, of course I will test it again. So, checking the carbon brush springs, so they are good. Okay. I'm just closing it. Okay, I will check the chuck if it's okay, yeah. And I see the problem. The problem is that this chuck is stuck. Okay, it's really not a big problem. For us, because we have the spare chuck. Okay, now we need to remove it in some way. Okay, I will try to take the Allen key. I will take it to the drilling mode. Okay. Now I will adjust the camera. Just doing the very simple trick. Wrapping the drill into the paper. The Allen keys in a check. Taking the big hammer. And of course hammering it. And the check goes out. So what we need to do now, we need to put a new check on this one, so it's a really good repair. Okay, now about the option we have now, so we can do two things. We can try to repair the third drill. Okay, the fourth one, that number. Okay, the third one is the same model because it's with a broken gear assembly. Or the other way, what can we do? We can remove the check and put on this one, and of course then forget the old one. So what I will decide to do, I don't know now because I have not calculated the price, so I will think about that, about the options of the check. The cheap Chinese check cost 10 euros. The good Makita check or the similar cost about 30 euros. So I think I will put a new nice check on this one. So I think even I have the Milwaukee check somewhere. I don't know, but maybe in my mystery box or not, because it was the old gear asset. Of course I have the plenty of the used checks, but I want to put a normal check on it, so okay. So honestly we can calculate for this one. Okay, it's check cost 30 euros, maybe it's at 25, but it's no difference for that. And the work cost 50 euros, so it's 45 euros. Okay, I will screw the screen to not lose it. And for the 45 euros we will have the good drill. It's worth 80 euros. Easily 80 euros, I can tell. Okay, so this check just goes to the recycle bin, I think. I will check it again, yeah. Okay. So now the third one, same model. Okay, it's so it's very simple fold here. Of course I will check the carbon brush and the armature, but yeah, they will be really good. Of course I will disassemble it. So here we need a new gear assembly. The work 15 euros. Okay. So who the fuck is Captain Jack? Captain Jack, Captain Jack, okay. Okay, my camera battery is running low, so okay, what can we see here? It's okay, it really looks nice, and no doubt it's really good. Okay, so this one is a good working drill with broken gear assets, so we will check for the gear asset price. Okay, I'm just taking it away. And So this will go with repair, this will go with repair, this one we don't know. DTV 251, so okay. What's wrong with you, buddy? It's a rubber missing on the front of it. It smells a little bit, so okay. So rubber, it cost about €2. Okay, it's a tape here, so I will just cut it. Okay. So now we need to remove the plastic here. Okay, the smaller screwdriver. Okay, it's tricky to take it out. So fuck, how I hate it. Okay, I will take the tank tools hook. Hook. Okay. So okay, so I'm interested what's wrong with this one, because it's working nice, so it can be the motor not burned out, but just overheated, so okay. Opening the back over. Okay, you look nice and shine. So okay, what we have, the carbon brushes are going very nicely. The armature looks really good. So what the fuck, why are you here in the shop? Okay, so we have the hammer housing here, so I will open it. Of course we want to check it. I will put it in a vise. It's a counterfeit, okay, screw or whatever it calls, because it's turned out in a different direction. Okay, now I'm unscrewing it, so just beware of that. Okay, what we have here. Okay, we have the hammer. Can inspect the gears here. They are nice. The anvil, the most important part of this tool, looks really nice. So why the fuck you are here with the broken tools? Okay, so it looks really good. So really I don't know why it was sold. So okay, but it's good for us, for me. Okay, just getting it back, and this one will go out as it is, so it's okay, it won't pays for all tools. Okay, so you can see there's some grease here, so I will clean it a little bit. Of course, it's no dirt, scraps or something. Okay, I love it. I can buy more like this one. Okay. Okay, so closing it back, screwing the screws in. Okay, the spring is good, the carbon brushes are good, so okay, fuck, the screws. Okay, so here I see the moneymaker, of course. Okay, so what I need for this one, the new rubbers, so it's really not cost a lot. Okay, my work for this one cost 10 euros, so it's a 12 euros for 120 euros tool. It's a really great buy. Okay, yeah, it really works. Okay, so just taking it away, and now the last one, but not the baddest one. It's DTD 146, the impact driver. Okay, so this one goes to repair. So now we have the almost all the tools in repair, so I think I will be a good profit with this one. Okay, so okay, it's very bad. You can see that we need a new armature, new carbon brush holder, new carbon brushes. Okay, so it's CB440. Okay, I will write in the Lithuanian, it's carbon brush holder, the armature. Okay, checking the back end, it's good. Okay, the rubber. So okay. We'll check it, maybe it's not worth it to repair, so okay, the armature is busted, the field is all rust. Of course it's not a big problem, but still it's a problem. So okay, this one is overheated, so the spring even is not here. So okay, I will open the hammer casing here, so to check it. Okay, I need to put it in the vise. Okay, it was tightened very well, so someone was disassembling it, I think. So just taking some paper. Okay, taking the spar out. Okay, we can see that it's well used, but of course it's not a dead now, so okay, it looks not bad like I used to. Yeah, we can see that it's used, really was used a lot, but this one will go for the 100 years, so it's not a problem. Okay, so for this one we need a new armature, new carbon brush holder unit, we need a new carbon brushes, a little bit cleaning for the field, but it will be the good working tool, and I don't know, we will see if it's worth it or not to repair it, because it's not cost a lot in the Lithuanian market, so we will see for that. Okay, so that was the last tool from the 5 tools list. The Dewalt was going to the recycle bin. Maybe I will check them later, but I'm not willing to make money on them because they use the old battery, not a Leon, so I don't know, they worth about 30 euros working, so I think they not worth the time and the money. Okay, for the impact driver, my work was 15 euros, so okay, I will choose. Okay, so I will check the estimate, will repair them. Of course, I will make videos when I'm repairing them, so you can see that. And we will count what's in a profit for this tool. So okay, so just I don't know, I will edit video and you will see. I will not say bye now.